Sakura. So I haven't uploaded some vlog videos for a while. It's because I just finished my DSE exam since a month ago. Yeah, maybe. Okay, so anyways, look what I got. I have a huge surprise for you guys. Okay, let's grab. Okay, I want to see what's inside. Could be a camera or I don't know. Let's find out. Look! I'm opening right now! Oh! Look! Ta-da! Oh wait, let me... I got a new camera for my vlog. Oh, you guys can't believe it. I got my favorite color, pink. Ah! And this one. Oh yes, plus they even include the charger. Oh yeah, even the instructions, cause before opening it, I really need to read the instructions first. Let's see. It's actually a digital camera. So yeah. Oh yes. Number 1, up button. Okay. Ta-da! This is my new digital camera. Okay. Okay. Oh wait. Let's see. Okay, you know what? I have to go eat dinner first, and then after dinner, I need to test it out my digital camera. So, be right back. I'm back, everyone. Check this out. Ooh, let's see how it works. Ah, it works. See? Ooh, it worked. So, I'll just read the instructions first, since I actually don't know, but a little less I know. Okay. Yep. And look, this one can rotate. It goes like this. Wow, it worked. do you really think that I can take picture by myself? Yes, yeah, I can. Ooh, selfie. It worked. It definitely worked. Yeah, it really suits for me. I think for my upcoming vlog, I think I can use this digital camera for my vlog, but I don't know what am I gonna do. What? Ugh. Oh, sorry. Be right back. back once again because my money is taken. So, back to my vlog. Okay. So, once I check this one, I don't know what's this for anyways. And I have this 2 pluggers. What's this for? And USB. Like, bro, I don't have a laptop. How can I use my phone with the USB? And where's the charger? Okay. Oh, wait. I can't see a charger, right? Oh no, sorry. I'm off topic. Oh wait, I found it. Here it is. The charger for this. But how to charge, by the way? Oh, it didn't work. Didn't work though. So, anyways, what do you think of this? Because it looks so digital. Wow. Wow. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to. Ooh. So cool. Oh wait, hold on. Look. It's all Chinese, bruh. How to set up the language? Oh yes, this one. Oop. Wait, hang on. Let me try. Yay! It's set to English! Woohoo! Okay. It worked! Yay! So happy. Oh, one more thing. This digital camera that my mom bought for me online in Taobao. What else can I say? Anyways, I can say thanks to her. Yay! Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!